first. Dolphin in there.
Yes, look.
Ready? Sup everyone, how are we all? Sonvia is running, as you now know, because Bree thankfully took video footage yesterday of the first startup. So yesterday I didn't film at all. I just wanted to focus on getting this thing ready because we're running out of time for the event this weekend coming up. So I had everyone around here helping. Chop, Matty, Big Hour, Bree, Kelsi. Can't thank them enough for coming around here and lending a hand. So it's running, it's good. Went to put on the rear guards, the Origin Labo rear guards last night, and they're actually 55mm. And those ones there are 55mm, and then they've got like flare on top of that just to make these dish wheels fit. Unfortunately, I was gonna try and make them work, and it's just, no, not gonna happen. I don't wanna ruin the carbon guards, so we're not doing that. We'll have to wait till the 75mm ones come in, and then we'll get some of them, I think. New gearbox is sick. It just is so freaking loud. I couldn't remember how quiet this car actually is compared to the RBM3. Like I started it, I'm like, really? But it's good. It's still straight through pipe. We've done a little bit of an exhaust modification. I'll explain more about that if it works. It's going to the dyno tonight. Technically, I'm dropping it off tonight. They're going to try and tune it tomorrow while I'm at work. I've literally just finished work. So I'm going to quickly change the gear oil in it, got it up to temperature, and then you're meant to drain the oil straight away on startup just because it could have, you know, like metal shavings when they installed it, whatever. So you just get rid of that. I use this oil in my G-Force. It's Penrite Pro. There you go. If anyone else runs a G-Force, I highly recommend it. It's literally made my last G-Force look like brand new when I sold it after 3 years of thrashing it. But I change oil every meet. It only holds 900ml of oil, so every meet I just change it. Like, to me, it's an expense I'm willing to pay. So 60, so what is it? Yeah, 60 bucks for 2.5 litres and 900 mil of change. So it's like 30 bucks a change. It's worth doing. I literally got to hurry up because the sooner I get all this done down there, the boys can shut up because I got to get there before 5:30 before they shut. Fingers crossed it all goes well tomorrow, but let's drive this thing on the trailer. Even that's exciting. I can't wait. Just quickly, I'm really late, but that is the best freaking feeling ever. Look at him. Look at him out there. Oh, it makes me so freaking happy. Okay, this one can stay here. You'll be right. Don't get jealous. So we're on the way to Garage 7 now. You can see I'm in the new tow car. But what you may have noticed is it never had a tow ball, so that's what we did on the weekend as well. Had Chop and Big Al help put the tow ball on the back of this thing, and we had to wire it up, which according to the manual is a bit of a mission. Normally I don't read manuals or follow them. I just do it the way I think it should be done, which doesn't always work for me. So this time I thought, nah, I'll stick to the manual, do it by the book, and it bit me in the ass hard. Look at the rear wall. I had to put a whole new rear wall in because apparently there's a plug behind there that you just clip the trailer wiring into and it's all sweet. Yeah, we ripped the carpet off, took the MDF board off, got the standard panel off. There's no wiring in there at all. So a bit of research would have went a long way. So it's my own stupid fault. But anyway, if anyone else gets a Vito, there's a lesson for you. Just hook the trailer lights straight in the rear lights. Job done. Don't waste your time dicking around with the manual. Seriously, I am sorry for not filming yesterday, but it was just so crazy. We had everything going on. I just didn't feel like it was a good time to stop, start, you know, get everything documented, filmed and whatever. But so yeah, I am sorry guys. We did miss quite a lot. I'll try and explain a lot of what happened, but long story short, we pretty much put the engine in, put everything back on once I figured out where it all come from, where it was, wired everything up, and pretty much turned it on, cranked it, and it started first pop. It was insane, to be honest. But the battery light was staying on, so for some weird reason the alternator decided to die since it's been sitting there doing nothing. So we put another alternator on, that was all good, but then the voltage started going like up, down, up, down, up, down, like the charging voltage. And it was probably running for about a minute. I went and touched the alternator and it was like pretty much cooked my hand. It was that hot. So I ripped that one off and then put another, like an old GDR one I had lying in the shed. And yeah, it's all sweet now. So the car's all sweet now. We're heading down to Garage 7. I'm gonna drop it off tonight. And yeah, Dex will tune it tomorrow. So I don't know what time he's gonna do it, but I gotta go back. I gotta go to work anyway. I can't be there, so I can't film it. And to be honest, I don't mind that. I'm quite happy to drop it off and come back when it's all good to go and I didn't hear it, you know, sit there in agony and pain and suffering and and seriously, this Vito tows amazing. I've had one before and it was wicked. And this one's just as good. I'm so freaking happy I got it, to be honest. One thing that would make this van even better is airbags in the back, so I'm gonna try and get some of them soon. Yeah, it should be sweet. Alright, so I'll drop the car off and yeah. So we'll resume at Garage 7.